Cardano is failing to break above a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here, and welcome back to another Cardano analysis. Now, before we get started, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you guys are enjoying my content. 90% of you are not subscribed to this channel, but thank you so much for the support for those of you that do. Now, we can look at Cardano and see that we are seeing multiple resistance here at the 52-cent mark, right? We are seeing multiple wicks to the upside and failing to break above. We are still on a key support and holding, but again, this is starting to look a lot more bearish. I did mention, you guys, usually when you start seeing wicks to the downside like this, retesting exponential moving averages, it shows that buyers are becoming exhausted and sellers are starting to take control. We can see that the red candles are getting quite large here, and we're still holding a little bit above resistance over here at the 51-cent mark. But again, I really don't see Cardano holding this very well unless we see a massive move to the upside within the next day. But again, this seems quite unlikely as there are a lot of sellers here holding this level. Now, why is this level so important? If we look at the previous price action, you can see that Cardano had this resistance level over here, and we had a breakout formation over here. But again, we saw this massive move to the upside with a fake out in one candle. We usually don't see these many wicks to the upside unless, like I said, there is a move to the downside upcoming on Cardano. Now, this doesn't mean that, it's a guaranteed move set down. Again, I have mentioned that as long as we hold above this support level created, old resistance became new support, there is still a chance for Cardano to continue higher. If we do see a break below this exponential moving averages, then I would consider looking for shorting opportunities, right? If we see a move like this, Cardano comes back above the 51-cent mark and rejects again, only then I would be looking for shorting opportunities. Looking on the 1 hour, we can see that we are consolidating above, but it is getting weaker and weaker. This doesn't mean, again, that this is an area of trade, right? You want to look for a breakout formation and then continue higher before you enter a trade. You don't want to start guessing, right? Okay, Cardano is going to go down, I'm going to enter a short position. That's usually how you get wrecked. So just keep in mind, we'll look for the lower time frames, we'll look for proper entries. Once again, the area of interest would be, if we break below this 51-cent mark, would be around the 49-cent mark for a potential bounce. If we do break below the 49-cent mark, we will be retesting this sort of double bottom down here. But again, I don't necessarily see that holding quite well. Now, it is the weekend, so I don't expect a large move to happen. Maybe tonight, when the markets start opening up again. But currently looking like we are still in area of interest, possibly around this level at the 55-cent mark. And if we do break above that resistance level, we will be retesting this major resistance level here at 58 cents. Now, that is an important level, guys, and again, a lot of people are going to be looking at that level. As you can see, we had a break above, it was followed by a fake out, a second retest, and then we dropped. So again, if Cardano does something like this and we retest that level for a double top formation, that would become interesting, right? That would be a valid double top, but again, we have to wait for confirmation before we enter anything. But thank you guys again for watching the video, and if you liked it, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have it.